originates from Indonesia. It's called rasa sayang. Yeah, it means feelings of love. It has a rather catchy tune to it as well. Amigo, can you sing for us? Rasa sayang. Last song. Is there anybody in the audience celebrating a birthday today? Raise your hand. Birthday today is the 27th of April. Anybody over here celebrating birthday? Birthday. Oh, why celebrating birthday? Oh, there's another boy over there celebrating a birthday today. Yes. Okay. How about in the center? Birthday all the way up there. I see you. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, this side. Anybody celebrating birthday? Oh, another one. The lady. Yes, celebrating birthday as well. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about this side? I hope I didn't miss out anyone. Oh yes, you young men celebrating birthday as well. Okay, so we've got 6 of you. For those who are celebrating birthday today, this song is especially for you.